What is drama? Number one, drama is a literary composition. Literary is something that is related to the field of literature. Composition is something that is known as the process of writing. So drama is a literary composition, means drama is the area of subject that belongs to the field of literature. Next point, it is performed by professional actors on a stage or theater before an audience. Look, one of the characteristics of drama is that drama is to be performed, is to be acted, is to be shown, is to be played. By whom? By professional actors. By those actors who are professionally oriented to play drama on a stage. So drama has to be performed, and this performance must be done by professional actors, and this performance must be done on a stage, that is to say in a theater before an audience. So in drama, these are some of the important points to keep in mind, that we need professional actors, we need a stage, and we need an audience. We move on to the next point. It involves conflicts, actions, and a particular theme. Look, in any drama, a story cannot happen unless or until we have conflicts, we have twists and turns, we have actions like fighting actions, like war actions, like tussles and so on, and a particular theme. A theme means a storyline, the point of a storyline. If there is no storyline, if there is no theme, if there is no main idea, conflicts and actions in drama cannot move around. So drama involves conflicts, actions, and a particular theme. We move on to the fourth point. Drama is seen as recreation of life on a stage. Look, what is drama? Drama is also known as recreation of life on a stage. What we do in drama is that on a stage, when professional actors play drama, they are in fact recreating a sort of life on the stage. In that way, we call it drama is also recreation of life on a stage, reinventing of life on a stage, remaking of life on a stage, redisplaying of life on a stage, and so on. Go to the last point. According to Aristotle, drama is viewed as imitation of reality. You know the word imitation? Imitation means reflection, mirror, copy. So what is drama basically? Drama is basically imitation of reality. Look, what do we do in a drama? Basically, we are inspired to take things from the real life. So whatever we write in the story, whatever we write in the drama, we take inspiration from the real life. And when we take inspiration from the real life and put that drama on the stage, in that perspective, Aristotle says drama is imitation of reality. These are some of the points. Please keep them in mind and try to understand, try to comprehend and enjoy what is drama. So this is in general what is drama, and I hope you have understood.